Breaking alt season update. We have the alt season pulse chart right now as we speak, breaking into the belly of the beast. As you can see, this is something we've been tracking for a bit now. We have the body of the candle on a 3-day, swallowed up by the beast as we speak. This is not a drill. Altcoins could be on the precipice of a massive rally here, face melting rally. So you're going to want to subscribe to the notification bell, leave a like and a comment, share this with every crypto altcoin holder you know. And while you're at it, join the Discord. Link is in the bio. You're going to want to come join it because we're keeping everybody updated in real time as this stuff plays out, and have been for the past weeks now. Everything we've been tracking, like this fractal here for the altcoins, has been falling to a T. I mean, we came down, we were calling the 18th to the 23rd, weeks before that date. We saw the correction. We went sideways. We had our pop up. We've had our stair step. Now we're at the tail end of March and we're revisiting these highs, and all of a sudden we're going to see a pop, and that's going to take us to new highs leading into April. And where we're at as far as the other chart, we're right on track. Let me go to it right here. Total 3, we're right at these highs, and all of a sudden we can see that pop to take us to new highs right on schedule. So we're going to dive into it right now. We got the pump dump chart. We want to see this chart go down if we want to see cryptos go up. We had said, hey, be careful. We could see a pop up, but as long as we get rejected by the trend line coming down, we're all good. And we've gotten rejected so far. So we had this pop up that day. We came back down. We popped up again, got rejected. And then we have this trend line come like this. So there's going to be a big decision by this Saturday before March ends. And we want to see this chart break down. So this is what I'm going to be tracking right now on the 12-hour chart. We do have that momentum still bearish. And if we look at the daily chart, we are close to crossing down. This TSI is getting ready to cross down. Stock RSI is coming down through that 50 line. That's what we want to see. And then at the same time, we want to see Bitcoin on the daily chart have that daily TSI cross up, which it looks like it's close to doing. And that stock RSI coming up through that 50 line, which it's doing as we speak. So we're seeing the drivers working in our favor at this moment. Then all of a sudden, we should see a pop. But we need to see Bitcoin get above that 71K level. You can see how important this level has been. A lot of wicks. This is a daily chart, 1 day, 2 day, 3 day with wicks. Yesterday we had a wick through, but the body closed right at that 71K level. And we had a little pop up through 71K today, had a correction back down. What I want to see is us get above 71K, hold the line for a day or two. If that happens, we'll see the TSI and the stock RSI do what they need to do. And in tandem, it's likely the pump dump chart will break down as well. And then if all that plays out, and we see the alt season pulse chart melt down and have further continuation down here like that, that's when we're going to see the total 3 chart break to new highs and the other chart break to new highs as well too. And that's what we're tracking. And we're right on schedule for all this to happen. We have the 1 day TSI getting ready to cross up, stock RSI coming through that 50 line. If we can see that pink start to go up and the blue come down, then we're going to see that big push up in altcoins, and Bitcoin can then start to come up and maybe retest 73 to 74K, potentially going to new highs, which would be around 83 to 84K next stop. So that's basically the nuts and the bolts of it. Nothing's really changed. We're tracking the same things and we're right on schedule. If anything, let's check some potential anomalies right now and see if there's any outperformers. We got Velo 12 hours ago. This is a 4-hour chart, flash an anomaly. Maker flash an anomaly. PNG flash an anomaly. Bitcoin Cash 4 hours ago. Let's go to a more kind of lower time frame, like a day trade time frame, and let's see on the 30-minute chart. We have Litecoin 4 hours and 30 minutes ago. Filecoin's flashing one right now. So Filecoin is a potential day trade to hit today. But as far as swing trade time frame, going to the 12-hour chart, we definitely have Velo flashing. Yep, we got Velo 12 hours ago. LCX a day and 12 hours ago, Pendle a day and 12 hours ago, Proppy 2 days, 12 hours ago, Doge yesterday, Bitcoin Cash 12 hours ago. So we got some new anomalies flashing, and we're at this moment in time where if we can see all those things line up, we're going to see probably this whole anomaly screener be flashing in red for all these altcoins, because I believe we'd see a market-wide melt up. So I'll be tracking in real time. Link in the bio. Come join the Discord. Happy Friday, and I hope you guys have a good weekend.